Good evening everyone. I am Preeti Raj. I am from BBA first year PPU batch 1. So today I will perform an activity with my team member. So in this activity we all perform various tasks like a thought of the day, speech and sloka. So let's start. My speech topic is India is a progressive or fanatic country. India with its rich history and diverse culture has made a remarkable progress in various fields like technology, healthcare and education. We have launched successful space mission, produced world-class professionals like a doctor, engineers and scientists. And our economy is the fastest growing economy in all over the world. India's young generation is driven by a dream of world-class progression and development. However, challenges such as political division and religious intolerance sometimes highlight the other side. But despite the obstacle, India continues to embrace the change, promoting harmony, equality and innovations. The spirit of unity in diversity has always been our strength. So, in conclusion, India faces many struggles, but still its journey of progress is unstoppable. So, India is a progressive country with a bright future. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Sulvi, a student of BBA PPU first year batch. I am here to present Sanskrit Sloka. Akcheshtavako dhyanam swanidra tathaiv cha alpahari grityagi vidyarthi panchalakshanam. It means that effort similar to like a dog, crystal clear focus on the work like a crane, take a alert nap, eat least and least involvement in home matter. These are 5 characteristics of students. In Hindi, कोई जैसी चेष्टावान, बगला जैसी ध्यान मग्नता, कुत्ते जैसी नींद अर्थात नींद में सावधानता, कम खाने वाले और भीख त्यागने वाले विद्यार्थी के ये 5 लक्षण होते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Good evening to all. I am Komal Kumari from BBA first year. Today I am here to deliver my speech. So my speech topic is India progressive or fanatic country? So India is a very special country. It is a different culture, religions and languages. But with so much diversity, there is an important question. Is India moving forward as modern country or is it stuck in extremely old belief? Let's start with good things. India has made a lot of progress. Our economy will growing fast and we are becoming leaders in a technology or science. Remember Chandrayaan, our moon mission. It's made the whole country proud. But India has some problems. Sometimes people fight over religions and tradition. They forget that our strength is in unity. Some old belief hold us back. The truth is India is a mix of both. We are growing and changing, but it takes some time. I believe in India's strength. We all overcome big challenges before and we can do it again. Together we can make sure India becomes a nation where progress and unity shine brighter than anything easy. Conclusion. So India progressive or fanatic country? The answer is both. But I believe the future is bright because India's strength lies in its people, especially the young generation. Together we can make sure India's progress shines brighter than its challenges. Thank you. That's from my.
Good evening everyone. My name is Ankita Sharma. I am from BBA PPU first year batch 1. My thought of the day is each new day is a chance to make positive change in your life. No matters what happened yesterday, today gives you the opportunity to do better and try again. Success and failure are part of the life, but what matters is not giving up. So keep motivated, believe in yourself because small efforts can lead to big achievement. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shreya from BBA PPU first year batch. Today I am here with the topic thought of the day. Life is like riding a cycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Don't be afraid to fall because it's in those moments that you learn to get back up and keep going. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Don't give up even when the road ahead seems uncertain. That's all.